Hello everyone, welcome back to Crypto Basics. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to sign up for Bitpanda. If you want to get started and create a new account for Bitpanda, then here's how you can do it. Open a web browser and in the web address bar type in bitpanda.com and search. Doing this will take you to the official site for Bitpanda. Bitpanda is a European-based cryptocurrency exchange and trading platform. It allows its users to buy and sell and trade a variety of cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, Ripple, and much more. Once you end up in the official site, go ahead and click on the Sign Up button at the top right-hand corner in order to start registering. Inside the Create Your Bitpanda account text boxes, start off by typing in your first name. On the next field, enter your last name. Right where it says email address, go ahead and enter a valid email address for yourself. Make sure to enter the email address that you have an access to. And once you are done, on the next field where it says password, create a password for your account. This is the password you'll need to enter whenever you log into your Bitpanda account, so make sure to enter the password that is easier for you to remember. After you are done setting a password for yourself, go to the next field and click the drop down and select your country of residence. Soon after you are done, go ahead and agree to the terms and conditions of Bitpanda by enabling these buttons. And if you don't want to miss out the latest news, opportunities, and other new products and features, make sure to enable this last toggle button as well. If you don't want to receive them, leave it unchecked and finally click on Create Account. You'll now need to go ahead and confirm your email address. So open up a new tab and log into your email inbox that is associated with Bitpanda. You'll then receive a confirmation email from Bitpanda. Click it Open and click the Confirm My Email button. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to verify your email and you have successfully created a new account for Bitpanda. You'll need to go ahead and answer some of your questions along the way, and you'll now need to verify your identity. Click Start Verifying and then enter some of your personal information in the text boxes. For example, your first name, your date of birth, street number, house number, postcode, city, and your phone number. After entering all of the correct information, click on Save and Continue. And after you are done, you'll need to verify your phone number. Go ahead and enter the security code that you received on your mobile number that you just entered, and you'll be able to join in to Bitpanda. Now you can start trading and investing in cryptocurrencies with your Bitpanda platform. So that was how you can easily create a new account or sign up for Bitpanda within a few minutes. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next episode. Goodbye till then.